Virgo, how are you doing? This is Falguni and I'm here to do your December monthly reading, and this will be a general reading, so it will not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Also, please remember this is for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Please check your placements before watching the reading. If your message does not lie in this reading, then it might be in some other reading of in some other placement of yours. Okay, and also if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. Okay, let's begin and let's see, Virgo, what kind of energy this will be. Very general, it won't be career or love specific as such. Whatever message comes, I will read it accordingly, right? So let's see, let's find out. First thing, Virgo, what will be your energy like for the first part of December, from 1st till the 10th? 1st till the 10th. What will be your energy like for the first part of December? First part of December. For what will be your energy like? First part of December. What will be your energy like for the first part of December? What will be your energy like for the first part of December? What will be your energy like for the first part of December? So your energy, Virgo, will be of harmony. So you'll be a lot in harmony. You can see this card, you will be very much in harmony, Virgo. Okay, so much of happiness and so much of fulfillment that is giving you utmost peace. Can you see the card and you can feel it? So you will be you know spoiled with opportunities in a way, so that will give you a lot of happiness. Okay, let's clarify the harmony card for you and see what is the harmony card here about. What is the harmony card here about? What is the harmony card here about? What is the harmony card here about? For the first 10 days of December for Virgo. For the first 10 days of December for Virgo. What is the harmony card here about? What is the harmony card here about? Let's find out. What is the harmony card here about? What is the harmony card here about? Okay. So the harmony card is to do with Page of Wands, Temperance and the Eight of Swords. Okay, Page of Swords, say Page of Wands, Temperance and the Eight of Swords. So the harmony will be something to do with getting yourself relieved from what was keeping you mentally stuck for quite some time now. So you will come out of that and be able to establish a balance in your life finally. Very nice energy. And also you'll be open to some sort of new beginnings as well. Okay, very open to some sort of new beginnings. A playful energy will surface, will be seen on you. A playful energy, a very light-hearted energy will be seen around you and within you. So that will keep you really, really happy and lifted for the first part. Let's see what is there for in the second part of the second part of December. From the 11th to the 20th of December, what will be your energy like, Virgo? What will be your energy like for the 11th till the 20th of December? What will be your energy like, Virgo? What will be your energy like? What will be your energy like, Virgo? What will be your energy like from the 11th till the 20th of December? Let's see. So you will be projections. Can you see this card? So you will be in an energy where you will be, I think, you will be projecting your thoughts on people, or people might be doing that to you. You might be under misjudged by people, and people will misunderstand you, and they will see certain negative things about you which might not be true. Or maybe you are projecting yourself in a, you're wearing some sort of mask where you're projecting yourself to people to be really, really happy, or maybe to be really content with a certain thing, whereas you are not that happy and you are just showing it off. Okay, and basically you feel that this is to do something regarding your financial stability. I feel, I don't know, it's something to do with your financial stability of some sort, or getting independent or maybe single from some sort of energy. I think you are trying to get independent from a situation. This is what I'm getting, as in you are trying to free yourself from a situation where you feel you are misjudged, you are not getting judged properly, you are trying to move apart from that situation right now. Okay, let's see and let's clarify this. Let's clarify this and see what is the projections card here about. I mean, you have a lot of dreams in your eyes and you are illusioned about the life in front of you. You cannot see the correct time to do the things. You are unable to figure out the correct time, the correct purpose, the correct judgment is lacking in you in the second part of December. You are lacking in the correct judgment. This is the right term, if I may use. Let's see, let's clarify this. For Virgo, second part of December, from the 11th till the 20th of December, from the 11th till the 20th of December, for the second part of December, what is it about? What is it about? Let's find out. What is it about? Okay. So you have the Two of Wands, the Queen of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. You can see these three cards. So this is to do something related to your future. You lack the correct analysis or judgment related to it, and also from future love. I think this is to do with your future family dynamic, because you can see there is the Ten of Cups that you have. You don't have the correct judgment about people as of yet. You are confused, and maybe you feel that, I mean, you are just projecting your thoughts on people. You have no clarity, you don't know how they actually are while making a choice, or while making a judgment, or while building a connection with someone. You are not sure if this is the right person for you. That is to do with your family dynamics and your future ahead. For love, for exchanging your love and emotions with this person, you are very careful because you're not sure. Okay, now let's move ahead and see. You just find them very, very attractive, and you find them too good to be true. You think that if they're so attractive, if they have everything from outside, that is appearance. Their appearance is such that it is blinding. You cannot see anything else but the shining armor that they're wearing. So you need to dig deep and find everything below their surface as well, whatever they're hiding, whatever they're not showing, because people usually don't show everything and anything to everyone, and also they do not show it to, I mean, they prefer to keep it to themselves usually, unless and until you know that person really well and closely. Okay, so you need to find out. Okay, last part of December, from the 21st till the 31st of December, what will be your energy like? Taurus, I'm saying, I'm sorry, maybe you're connecting with the Taurus, I don't know. Virgo, what will be your energy like for the last part of December? Let's see, let's find out what will be your energy like for the last part of December, from the 21st till the 31st of December. What will be your energy like? Let's find out. What will be your energy like? Let's find out. So Virgo, your energy will be of Six of Wands. I mean, success. Very nice. You will be getting a lot of attention, a lot of admirers, a lot of success, a lot of recognition in the last part of December. Very nice energy. Congratulations. So you will be acing it in the field of understanding. Also, people will be understanding your perspective, your point of view, your narration, your idea well, and you will be recognized for it. You will be getting some sort of recognition and reward for the same. Very nice energy. Let's clarify this. Okay, Virgo, let's clarify the success card for you for the last part of December. for the last part of December, clarifying the success card for you for the last part of December, clarifying the success card for you for the last part of December, clarifying the success card for you for the last part of December, clarifying the success card for you for the last part of December. Let's find out. Okay. Okay, so you will be finally, you have the Ten of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, and the Four of Swords. Okay, so as per this cards, you will be succeeding in healing over something. You will be finally letting go of all the burden that you've been carrying since long about a person, about a situation that was, weighing heavy on you. You will be shedding off that burden successfully in the last part of December. You won't be carrying that any forward. You will be completely healing from the situation, and this might even be, it might even be related to something related to your family or long term dynamic. Another thing is I am getting is, you it might also be to do with your pentacles. You have been suffering a lot of losses recently, and you have been trying to recover the losses and slowly come back on track. That you will be able to do at this point of time. With the Ten of Pentacles, you will achieve that abundance, that long-term stability that you have been wanted since long. Success, major success. Nice energy, very nice, Virgo, and kudos to you. And let's see what is the final cut. What is the overall guidance for you, Virgo, for the month of December? What is the overall guidance for you, Virgo, for the month of December? Let's find out what is the overall guidance for you for the month of December. Let's find out. So, overall guidance for you is ordinariness. You have to stay focused on the routine, on the mundane, and continue doing your routine chores as you do it, and do not sway away from the source of passion. If you are passionate about something, continue working hard towards it, continue doing the same routine, mundane things that you've been continuously doing. You will be recognized and reward for the same when the time comes. And maybe it's in December itself, you never know. So, that is the guidance for you, Virgo. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I will see you soon in the next reading. Till then, stay safe and stay blessed. I love you, Virgo. Thank you. Namaste.